Hi everyone, and welcome. We're happy to let you know that we're back to work after a short break. This month has been a busy and exciting time for us, as we've made some important changes in our lives and achieved a big milestone. We opened a new store. Our new shop is designed to be a one-stop destination for jewelry makers of all levels. Whether you're just starting out or an experienced artisan, you'll find a variety of tools, materials, and supplies to bring your creative ideas to life. We've worked hard to stock everything you need to make your crafting process easier and more enjoyable. As always, we're committed to inspiring and supporting you with fresh designs and free tutorials that help spark new ideas and keep your creativity flowing. Your support means so much to us, and we're incredibly grateful to have such a wonderful community of creators by our side. We are still working on filling the store, so don't forget to visit our new store and check out everything we've prepared for you. We're looking forward to continuing this creative journey together and can't wait to see the amazing pieces you'll create. In the next video, I will show you how to make this bracelet. So stay with us and see you soon.